Are you planning to sell your home but feeling overwhelmed by the cost of updates? Renovations can boost your home's value, but figuring out how to finance them can be tricky.
That's right. Many homeowners face this dilemma, especially if they want to make the home more appealing without draining their savings. We're here today to give you expert advice on financing options to remodel before selling.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Callie from JSB Home Solutions, and I'm here with Kendra Carter from the Carter Group with Keller Williams Consultants here in Columbus, Ohio. And together, we'll guide you through the best financing options for making those key renovations before putting your home on the market.
Yes, and always, if you find this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips for remodeling and selling your home. We're here to help you make smart, value-driven decisions that can increase your home's appeal and final sale price.
Absolutely. By the end of this video, you'll know which financing options might work best for your situation, whether you're doing minor upgrades or larger remodels. Let's dive in.
Renovating before selling can really boost your home's appeal. According to a national study, over 77% of buyers prefer homes that feel move-in ready. A fresh, updated home can make buyers envision themselves living there, leading to quicker offers and potentially higher sale prices.
That's right. Strategic renovations like updating kitchens or bathrooms or improving your curb appeal make a big impact. These updates show buyers that the home has been well maintained and it's worth their investment.
Right. So let's talk about these financing options.
So first up, home equity loans. If you've built up substantial equity, a home equity loan allows you to borrow against that value, often at a lower interest rate than a lot of other loans. Just remember, it's secured by your property, so you'll need to repay it when you sell your home.
Exactly. And for flexibility, there's also a home equity line of credit, which is also called a HELOC. This option works like a credit line, so you can borrow only what you need as the projects progress. It's a really good choice if you're tackling renovations in stages and can handle variable interest rates.
Now, if you're looking for an unsecured option, personal loans can be straightforward and quick to get approved. They're ideal for smaller projects without risking your home as collateral, though they often come with higher interest rates.
Yeah, for sure. And there's also credit cards. So for very minor updates like buying supplies or fixtures, a credit card can be convenient. Just watch out for high interest rates if you can't pay off the balance quickly. There's a lot of loan cards out there, like Home Depot, that give you 12 months same as cash with no interest.
And if you need a larger amount, a cash out refinance might be an option. This allows you to pull cash from your home's equity at a generally lower interest rate, but it also extends your mortgage. So consider whether the potential sale price increase is worth it.
The one that I love the most right now is contractor financing. I was just able to help a homeowner put $22,000 into the renovations and then received $100,000 net profit from that $22,000. And what she did was contractor financing through a flooring company and a renovation company in order to make that happen, and paid it all off at the settlement.
Choosing the right financing really comes down to 3 steps. Consider the cost of your renovations, think about how soon you plan to sell, and take a close look at your financial situation. Aligning these 3 factors will help you avoid overextending yourself financially.
Yeah, and it really just depends on your timeline. If your timeline's short, lower commitment options might work best, while longer term plans are gonna be a lot different in terms of what your financing looks like. The other thing I would recommend is reaching out to a couple lenders. There are things now that are construction loans, but they can really help you figure out which option could be best for you.
Right, so not every project will bring the same return. So focus on high impact areas like the kitchen, bathrooms, and curb appeal. These types of updates can appeal to buyers and potentially speed up the sale.
As always, talk with your local realtor who knows the market that you're in. They can guide you on what buyers are looking for and which upgrades will add the most bang for your buck.
So for example, a kitchen update, even if minor, often appeals to buyers, while some larger projects might not add as much unless they're addressing a specific need that your home has. It's all about positioning your home competitively. If other homes in your area are recently updated, making strategic renovations can help you stand out and attract more offers.
Yeah, I mean, I love that we're doing this because a lot of people don't know these things and it's really important. But let's go ahead and recap. Preparing to sell your home with key renovations can be a smart way to increase its appeal and value. But it's important to choose the right financing method to avoid straining your budget. It really comes down to knowing your options, do your research, and picking the one that aligns best with your plans.
Exactly. If you're taking on larger renovations and have equity in your home, a home equity loan or a HELOC could be the best option, especially if you'll recoup these costs in the sale. But if you're working with a shorter timeline or smaller updates, a personal loan or a credit card might be more manageable.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna go back to the property that I spoke about. This homeowner could have sold as is for $70,000. But because she was able to finance flooring, paint, and a small kitchen renovation, she was able to sell for $140,000. That was an intense net profit change. I encourage you to reach out to a loan expert to see which option is best for you, and also contractors and companies like Callie and realtors like myself to see which makes the most sense for you.
Thank you for joining us today. And remember to like this video and subscribe for more insights on making the most of your home's potential before selling. And stay tuned for more tips on financing, remodeling, and getting your home ready to sell. Until next time, happy renovating and selling.